What's good, YouTube? Ya boy. Not too clutch. Went outside and this was sitting by my front door. Yeah, I already colored that off so no one knows my info. But anyways, I know exactly what this is. It's a shirt that I ordered on eBay. It's an OVO shirt, and I got it for, I think it was $52 shipped. So it was free shipping. I won the auction. It was like $52.50 or something like that. So I won the auction of this. I've seen them going for in the 80s, so I'm really hyped that I got this for the price that I did. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing and see what's good. Boom. Okay, box is now open. And oh, that's cool. Put it in a bag, I guess, to kind of make it, I don't know, for some fucked up reason. Put it in a bag. So let's check it out. Alright, cool. Okay, well, first of all, this is clearly not what I ordered. Are you fucking kidding me? Seriously? Is this a fucking joke? Is it inside of it? No. Wow, yo. Are you fucking kidding me right now? This isn't no fucking OV. What the fuck is this? Are you fucking serious? Yo, what the fuck? I guess the joke's on me. What is this? This isn't even a men's fucking thing. This isn't even a men's shirt. It's women's. What the fuck? Are you serious? Okay, well, this is a fail because clearly this isn't a OVO shirt. It's a fucking I hope I'm being trolled and like tomorrow I'm going to get the real thing, because I can't even be that mad. This motherfucker sent me a fucking fluffy ass pink owl long sleeve. Oh my god, what the fuck? Well, if anyone's interested in a pink fluffy shirt, size 2X, 18 women to 20 women's, yeah, hit me up. Like, I don't know what to say. Oh, well, I'm gonna go dispute this shit and get my money back. So, thank you guys for watching, and if, like this video and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And thanks for watching this complete fail of a video. I don't even know what to say. Peace out, guys.